Good morning. It's Monday, the 12th of December, and we're back with a morning watch list. I've got two things that we want to add to and possibly get into this week. First off, let's get right into it. Uh, AMAM, another biopharmaceutical company that had made just a retarded 1,000 point rip last week. And as most of you know, if you don't already, when it comes to playing biofarms, they don't have products. They're not selling products to raise revenue. What they have to do is raise capital to continue research and funding. They're just a lab. They're trying to produce a product, and they need capital. So they have to do a lot of sketchy stuff to raise that money, which is all legal. So you have these insane pumps after insane long downtrends from the last pump, and then usually after those pumps they go right into a secondary offering where Wall Street gets to pick up a bunch of shares dirt cheap and turn around and sell it right back into the market. So you flood the market with shares, they make a 20-30% lick in a day or two. So you can almost always guarantee that they're going to come back down to earth. Always. I never try to play the upside of biopharmaceuticals. It's a waiting game. It could be 6 months, a year, 2 years before they do anything. But when you catch one with a pump like that, you're sure enough going to short it because it's going to come down quick. So I'm looking to add to the position if you haven't caught this already. AMAM, it ran up from like 38 cents to $4.57. Pre-market showing that it's down at about 331 right now. When it opens, if you can catch it, now this may take a week or 10 days to play out, maybe 2 weeks, but I would want to buy some contracts for middle to the end of January, 1st of February if possible. Buy yourself some time. This can be very manipulated. But I'd be looking to see this come back down to probably 250 at first, and then a dollar, and then 82 cents. Those would be my first three targets on AMA. I'd buy puts on that for, like I said, month plus out, and you'll probably be greatly rewarded. It looks the juiciest to me right now, and it's already showing those signs. The next one is RxDX, another biopharmaceutical that all they got was news of phase 3 trials starting. Turned right around, followed the next day with a notice that they filed for a secondary offering. Like I said, 4.5 million shares more going to get dumped onto the market by big whales that have already bought it up for them to raise capital. So I would not expect it to continue to hang around these prices long. It's another one that ran from, let's see, a wick low prior week, $30 up to $118. That's just another one that we're probably going to see come back down eventually. And the hype driving it with retail traders, just, oh, it's going to keep going higher attitude, could push it back up. It's going to be volatile for sure. But I'm expecting that to come back down to the $36 range. Probably 62 will be its first stop, and then 30, somewhere around there. 62, 63, then we come right back down to 30 where it began. So I would be looking to get puts on that also in those two ranges out, like I said, at least a month, possibly two. This could take a little time to play off depending whenever they do the secondary offering and the shares actually hit the market. These shares are being sold for $17. Yeah, $17.50 actually for Wall Street to scoop in and buy, so they can sell anywhere above $17.50 and make a quick guaranteed profit. And that's probably what's going to happen. They're probably going to buy at $17.50, dump it on the market around 60, $70 and make a killing. So let's buy puts and short those all the way to the ground. Those are my plays for today. The rest of the day we're going to watch and see what's going on with all these. We got, I think, CPI's coming in, and Wednesday we've got the Fed rate hike announcement. So let's all just pay attention to that. It's going to be a volatile week with the Feds involved. So that's it for me, guys. See you tomorrow.